how long this shot of winter might last. Mike?
Well, it's going to be a fairly quick shot, but this week is going to be nothing like last week with the temperatures up in the 70s. We're going to see mostly 40s and 50s. And this evening, it'll be periods of snow. Some of the bands of snow will be a little heavier at times. That could quickly drop an inch or so. And with temperatures this cold, that means there could be slick spots, especially the bridges, the ramps, the overpasses. It's still early in the season, so we're not as used to this as we will be later on. So you want to be a little careful and cautious about that as you head out this evening, if indeed you decide to head out. So let's talk about conditions today. This is the view in time lapse from our camera that was out at City Park. You can see the heavier snow falling early this afternoon. Then as we got closer to nightfall, a little bit lighter snow. That's the bands of snow that we expect to see into the evening hours. And right now, fairly decent visibility looking at the state capitol and down Broadway. And weather conditions for today, 40 and 26. Record high last year, 77. Record low, 1958 below zero. And the average temperatures this time of year, 55 and 27. So far, we've had 2/100ths of an inch of moisture out at the airport. As far as conditions right now, 26 out at DIA, 27 downtown, 88% humidity. Pressure 29, 89 rising. Winds are out of the northeast at 9 miles per hour. So that's the radar. You see those little darker areas, the blue. Those are the bands of heavier precipitation. Pretty good one right now going along up into Mount Vernon Canyon, up around the Morrison area and extending up toward Evergreen. So watch out on I-70. That could get a little slick in those locations. And statewide, still getting the snow falling, some rain showers out in Kansas. As far as the additional precipitation with this storm, it's going to be 1 to 2 on the northeast plains. Some of the mountain areas could still pick up 3 to 6. Low temperatures tonight dropping down into the teens and 20s on the plains. Single digits expected in the mountains by early tomorrow morning. And we'll start with some lingering flurries and some slick roads. By midday, mostly sunny, not as cold. In the afternoon, a cool day, but skies will be generally clear, a few high clouds around. The temperatures tomorrow, 40s and 50s for lower elevations, 20s and 30s expected in the mountains. 24 Winter Park and Keystone for tomorrow, about 47 downtown, 45 at the airport and up toward Fort Collins and Greeley. So tonight it's light snow and 20. And then for tomorrow, maybe a few flurries early, then clearing out a cool 45. Here's your extended forecast. We'll stay in the 40s again on Wednesday, but a little bit milder. Thursday up to 50. Friday, clouds and 52. Nice day Saturday with 55. 53 Sunday. And then Monday next week is 63. And right now the extended forecast for much of next week looks to be warm and dry with highs expected to be in the 60s.
That'll be a nice change. Thank you, Mike.